Hi, I'm Dr. Meghan McGovern. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon. Today we're going to continue our conversation about Ulthera, and we're going to change gears a little bit and talk about plastic surgery and minimally invasive procedures for men.
Sometimes surgery doesn't have to be surgery at all. At least it doesn't have to involve cutting into your skin to achieve the results you want. A non-invasive procedure called Ultherapy uses focused energy waves to help tighten the tissue beneath your skin, making you look years younger. Dave has come to Coastal Empire Plastic Surgery for an Ultherapy treatment after seeing the results achieved by his fiancée, Carol.
Right. Well, for example, I would never consider having typical plastic surgery. The idea of a scalpel and being cut and needles and moving my flesh around and removing things and adding things, that's not what I'm all about. What I'm excited about with this particular treatment is I saw what it did for Carol, and it was amazing. And it's still amazing to me, and her friends who haven't seen her in 6 or 8 months, they just say, my gosh, you look so young and rested. I thought, well, you know, that shouldn't just be in the world of women. If, you know, skin is skin, and I'm hoping I'll have similar results. I'm excited about it.
The procedure starts with some before photos. Then it's time for the process to begin.
The areas that we're targeting with the treatment today with the Ulthera is the neck area. We lay most of the lines on the neck and on the lower jowls. So it will help with any loss of volume through the jowls right through here. Some of the laxity through here is going to lift and firm and tighten. Okay, and with the upper portion of the face, we're going to get a little bit of a brow lift here, which will help with the hooding. We'll also go around the orbital bone right here and help with some of the bags that people get up under their eyes. You're not very wrinkled at all. We're going to also do the lateral, lay a few lines right through here, and it'll help to firm and tighten where people normally get crow's feet.
There is some brief pain, especially as the energy is focused repeatedly on a single spot.
And as you can see, I have some wincing reactions because that's kind of feel. It's like somebody tweaking you, you know, or pinching you. It's a little bit like that, but there's no lingering pain afterwards at all, none.
That your nasolabial folds are already a little more shallow.
Yeah. How about
that you would
this in
see
here?
some
You
of the
see
joweling
difference?
through here would be, tighter.
Right.
And this is only the beginning. It's just going to get better and better each week.
Excellent. That's exciting.
So we want to take some pictures right now. You did a
All
great
right.
job.
In less than an hour, Dave is out the door and headed back to work. But Ultherapy continues working to tighten the tissues beneath Dave's skin. And it's especially evident when he comes back for a follow-up appointment 6 weeks later.
As you know, part of what you're seeing is you're saying you're having more definition.
Right.
That's because of where we're doing the treatment. We're tightening in through here, tightening across, and it's all connected. So we're tightening that whole zone through there, and then tightening the forehead and around the eyes so that we get a nice global improvement. So you look like you, but a more refreshed version of you. So that's the goal. I have some things that I'm very excited to show you because, again, we're only 45 days out. We're
Right.
about halfway there.
Yeah.
And look at
Oh my gosh.
how much change you've had so far.
Oh my heavens, that is amazing. I mean, this used to drive me nuts. So my natural look looked like I was frowning, and that was one of the things I was really. And then down here, it's unbelievable. Oh my, that is amazing.
Look at your neckline.
Oh, see that you can see my jawline.
You got more definition.
Oh my
already
gosh.
there. And around your eyes, you just have.
And my eyes, wow, they're actually lifted up. It's opened up a little bit.
Lifted up. And we usually don't see that at 45 days.
Oh my
It usually
gosh.
takes longer to see this, so this is really, really.
Oh my gosh.
Super.
Look at this.
Mid-range results.
I mean, I can see that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing. Oh.
When as you age, we all sort of get a bottom-heavy look. Everything drifts downward. Your chin looks more projected. You have a hollowness and a loss of definition through there. And we've already started by tightening that back up. You've got a better contour through here. You're getting that OG curve back. You've just got more height to your face just by tightening things.
Wow.
Soon, Dave returns to Coastal Empire Plastic Surgery for a new variation on Ultherapy, a procedure which targets a different layer of tissue closer to the surface of the skin.
So we are 2 months following your Ulthera treatment, or a little bit more, about 2.5 months, and we've now gotten some new programming and a new component to the device that we didn't have before. So I'm really excited about it. And in the past, we were treating that SMAS. We were treating the deep tissues and getting that deep tightening effect. Now we can treat just underneath the skin, 1.5 millimeters under the surface, so we get a surface tightening. So we can soften, and I'm not going to promise that it'll eliminate all wrinkles, but it smooths them out a great deal, and we can get much more remodeling of that collagen just underneath the surface, so we get even more smoothing effect. We're going to do a section through here, a section through here. So we're going to do little sections all the way there. Then we're going to do some on your cheek, on your mouth, and then we're also going to do a little down your neck.
You can see the difference. It's unbelievable. The other thing is right in here is tighter, a lot tighter, and right here is a lot tighter. And that's just in a few minutes.
So now you've seen Dave and the procedure that he's had done. He's been able to have a procedure with no downtime, went straight back to work, and he achieved his results gradually over time without anyone having to know what he did unless he wanted them to. So we now have the technology to help men look their personal best in ways that make them feel confident and comfortable with the process.
Dave's not the only guy seeing the benefits of Ultherapy. His friend Ray Williams also gave the treatment a try and has been pleased with the difference he's seen as well.
I actually have noticed some change, but it's, for me seeing it, it's much more subtle, I suppose. I don't exactly examine my face, maybe the way a female would either, But Carolyn says she can see the difference.
In you mean?
Yeah.
Excellent.
In me,
Excellent.
yeah. She says she can really see the difference, and so that's good enough for me. If she likes
If the
what she
wife's happy,
sees,
then everybody's happy.
everybody's happy. Yeah.
Okay.
Learn more at www.coastalempirePlasticSurgery.com or call Dr. Meghan McGovern today toll-free at 1-888-920-2090.